High quality video with remarkably sharp 4K UHD footage, stunning color, and great low light performance packed into a comfortable and portable design. These are the cornerstones behind Canon's updated line of professional XA camcorders and the new Vixia HF-G70. Hi, I'm Brandon Chin from Canon XA, and I'm excited to introduce to you the XA75 and XA70, XA65 and XA60, and the Vixia HF-G70 camcorders. We're rolling out several new models, and this video is here to help you choose the perfect camcorder for your production needs. So whether you're capturing breaking news, streaming a sermon, taking a deposition, or recording a family vacation, we're confident that we have the right camcorder for your production and your budget. What's important to note is that all of these new models include new customer requested features like on-screen display recording that bakes the date and time right into the video file, as well as USB video class interface, which allows you to easily live stream through a simple USB connection to a Mac or PC computer. The Canon XA75 and XA70 represent Canon's large sensor camcorder models with a beautiful 1-inch CMOS image sensor to capture stunning 4K UHD video at up to 30 frames per second and high-resolution oversampled Full HD video at up to 60 frames per second. This 1-inch sensor not only provides stunning color, but also outstanding low-light performance for indoor settings. The large sensor size also offers the ability to control depth of field and provides a more cinematic look over camcorders with smaller sensor sizes. This is ideal for creative video and subject framing when you're on the go. To help make sure that your subject is in focus, both cameras include Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus technology with highly accurate face detection autofocus. Use of face priority autofocus sets focus with priority on human faces, and face only autofocus adjusts focus only when a human face is detected. Now with touch autofocus included, you can set focus just by tapping the LCD screen. Both models are equipped with a 15x 4K optical zoom lens and come with a detachable handle providing 2 additional XLR audio inputs and a rocker control for easy capture of low-angle shots. For those customers seeking a more affordable option to the XA75 and XA70 camcorders, Canon is also introducing the XA65, XA60, and Vixia HF-G70 4K models. These camcorders pack a powerful 1/2.3-inch 4K UHD CMOS image sensor and a far-reaching 20x optical zoom lens. New to XA series camcorders, on-screen recording embeds date, time, timecode, and other data in your original video files, effectively time-stamping the information into each frame of video, a requirement for legal and law enforcement videographers. Now, with a USB video class or UVC interface, broadcasting is at your fingertips as both camcorders can live stream directly to a Mac or PC computer with a USB cable. Whether you're covering a news event, shooting your next breakout indie feature, or streaming a corporate town hall meeting, Canon has included preset scene options to make things easy. 9 special scene modes help you dial in the right settings, making challenging shooting situations a breeze. You can also get creative with both slow or fast motion recording in both UHD or Full HD video resolutions. And we're still including all the great XA features that have made this such a successful and reliable camcorder out in the field. All 5 models still include HDMI output, allowing you to either send your signal to an external monitor or broadcast your image while recording or during playback, and also featuring the ability to simultaneously send a 60i signal while still internally recording in any of the other recording formats. These camcorders are designed to be lightweight and portable, with professional controls, allowing for quick changes on the fly. You can make manual adjustments with the focus zoom ring, the seesaw style zoom rocker control, and control 5 customizable buttons that you can assign your most used functions to. They also include a microphone input, a dedicated headphone jack, and linear PCM 4-channel audio, with independent settings to let users set recording levels, input sensitivity, and limiters.
What's going on, everyone? I'm Francois from Sony. Are you interested in learning more about our FDR-AX43 Handycam camcorder? Well, that's a great choice because of AX43's combination of features image quality, and price point. So stick with me and let's go check it out. More reviewers name Sony as the top camcorder than any other brand, and the fact that the FDR-AX43 is at the top of several lists is quite impressive. The AX43 Handycam puts professional production and simple movie sharing within your grasp. So let's take a brief look at the top features of this power-packed camcorder. Alright, first up, Balance Optical Steady Shot, or as here at Sony we like to call it, BOSS. Balance Optical Steady Shot is the leading consumer camcorder stabilization technology. It helps stabilize your image while you're walking or even while you're running outside. I'm sure you've seen people using expensive gimbals to stabilize their videos, pulling out big gimbals from their backpack. I mean, this is fantastic and it works on multiple axes, but the AX43 doesn't need one of those because it's built into the camcorder already. The entire lens and sensor configuration inside the AX43 is mounted to a 3-axis gimbal, so any movement by you on the outside is compensated for on the inside of the camcorder, so you don't have to carry one of those big gimbals around. Now, I like that. The unique Balance Optical Steady Shot stabilizer with internal gimbal mechanism is much more effective than any other optical systems we've tested. The BOSS internal gimbal mechanism and image processing algorithm deliver such stable shooting, you can even shoot steady movies while running. You can even shoot steady movies while in full zoom. Wild. The X43 features our latest generation lens and image sensor to enhance the detail of 4K resolution, with increased sensitivity for capturing high quality movies in low light, and importantly, high bitrate recording in XAVCS format, so you can clearly capture even fast moving and complex scenes. And finally, let's talk about audio. The truth is, whether you're watching a blockbuster action movie or a video that you just captured on your phone, bad audio means bad viewing experience. And sadly, audio is only a mere afterthought for many camera manufacturers. Well, since Sony is and always has been an audio company, the AX43 does not skimp out on sound. 3 mic capsules capture clear sound and reduce noise. You'll get high quality recording of audio with clear stereo separation, and you can even attach a separate microphone for even higher quality sound. I hope this video has given you a good overview of Sony's FDR-AX43 Handycam camcorder. Its combination of features, image and sound quality, plus a great price point makes it a perfect choice for you video enthusiasts out there. If you'd like to learn more information on this product or other Sony products, make sure you check out Sony.com. As always, my name's Francois, and I'll see you in the next video.
A pocket-sized gimbal camera that puts pro-grade stability and powerful imaging right in the palm of your hand. Introducing DJI Osmo Pocket 3. With an upgraded 1-inch sensor, any scene becomes effortlessly cinematic. It's perfect for when you want to live in the moment a little longer and savor every second.
It's a good day.
Pocket 3 features an advanced microphone system that gives you immersive sound recording.
It's a time to feel alive.
Be ready wherever inspiration strikes. With a quick and easy flip, get everything in frame. Directly connect a pair of DJI Mic 2s to capture crystal clear audio. Focus more on what you enjoy. With a Take It Anywhere design, Pocket 3 gives anyone the power to create. Well, almost anyone. It can fast charge from 0 to 80% in just 16 minutes. So you can stay ready for the shots that matter most. Show off your best dance moves with a 3-axis gimbal that keeps your shots stable and ultra smooth. Get unique angles with features like Spin Shot. A new face auto detect feature makes tracking effortless, letting you focus less on the camera and more on her. An additional battery handle ensures you'll have plenty of time to record it all. Even after the sun sets, the creating doesn't stop. Osmo Pocket 3 is made for any moving moment.
Alpha.